If the cameras on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus are blurry or out of focus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now first of all, just clean the cameras on your iPhone using a soft cloth because dirt or oil might have built up on the lenses of the camera and this might be causing the out of focus issues. And after that, if you have applied any lens protector or a screen protector on your iPhone, just remove it and check if this fixes your issue or not. Because you might have used a screen protector or a lens protector which might not be compatible with your iPhone, and that is why you might be facing this issue. Or you have used the right screen protector or in the lens protector, but dirt might be stuck in between the protector and the camera, which might be causing this issue. So just remove any protector which you have applied on the screen or on the lenses of your iPhone and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then the next thing you can do is just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. If this also did not fix your issue, then you can follow the next step. For that, just open the camera app. Now at the bottom of the screen, make sure that you're on photo mode and you are not on portrait mode. Because in portrait mode, your iPhone will focus on the subject of the photo and it will blur the background. As you can see, I have captured two photos. This photo is in normal mode and as you can see, the subject is in focus and the background is also in focus. But if you check the photo which I have captured in portrait mode, as you can see, the subject is completely in focus, but the background has been blurred out. And if you're facing this issue, just open the camera app and swipe to the right side and select photo mode instead of portrait mode. Also, if you're facing blur and focus issues when you're too close to the object, just go to your home screen, then open settings. In settings, just open the camera settings. And on this page, you will find the on-off macro control. Now just make sure you enable this toggle. After you enable the toggle for macro control, then go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now in the camera app, if you come too close to an object to capture its photo, a shortcut will appear at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now as you can see, this is the shortcut for macro control. Now just disable this option and check if this fixes your blur issue or not. But if this did not fix your blur issue, just enable it and check if this fixes your blur issue or not. Just like that. But if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to settings and in the main settings page, just tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on software update and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have enabled a setting in the camera settings of your iPhone which might be causing this camera issue. Now to fix this issue, just go back to the general settings. Now this time, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings. Now from here, just confirm reset all settings. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your iPhone, including the camera settings in case if you have enabled the setting which might be causing the focus issues. And this option will not delete any data of your iPhone, it will just reset all the settings of your iPhone to the default iPhone settings. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the blurry and out of focus camera issues on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.